Welcome student to our new chapter, Poem 1, Dust of Snow. Dust of Snow, written by Robert Frost. About the author. Robert Frost, full name is Robert Lee Frost, was an American poet. His work was initially published in England before it was published in America. He was awarded the Congressional Gold Medal in 1960 for his poetic works. On July 22, 1961, Frost was named Poet Laureate of Vermont. Now, the central idea of the poem. The poem expresses the significance of small things in changing one's attitude, means how the small things happens in our life that played a very vital and significant role in changing our attitudes towards the life. Actually, most of the time we don't care of the small things and changes that happens in our life, but according to the poet Robert Frost, these little changes can influence hugely our life. So, in this poem, the poet appreciates the beauty of snowflakes, which changes his mood and saved many precious moments from being wasted away. Actually, throughout the poem, the poet deals an incident, and in that incident he appreciated a snowflake, and he talks about the crow, hemlock tree, and by that situation and by that thinking and that small incident which took place at that time, that changes his dejected mood to happy. Now the poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost reiterates that the little things in life can make huge changes in our future. It also shows that if we can take the hard times of life in stride, eventually something will happen to change our situation into happier times. Means in life, when we are facing hard time, when we are facing dark time, that time eventually something happen, very little thing, and that little thing can change our attitudes towards the life, can change our perspective towards the life, can change our outlook towards the life. That he deals through his poem, that sometime we never focus or we never become serious by happening of the small things in our life, but if we check or if we focus on that in small incident, that can be very valuable and vital in our life. So thank you, and let's move towards the new video for explanation line wise line. Thank you class.